Escape to your very own island paradise on world-famous Siesta Key in Sarasota, Florida. Majestically poised along the shimmering waters of the Intracoastal Waterway sits this masterfully redesigned and meticulously renovated residence. Through custom-crafted iron gates, old-world enchantment fuses with tropical wanderlust, where this resplendent home, positioned along Little Sarasota Bay, sweeping water views create an unforgettable backdrop for living. This grand yet cozy estate is impressive from the moment one enters the private gates and is welcomed by the long paver circular drive, giant oak trees, lush landscape, sparkling fountain, and the grand entry. The main floor includes the iconic Grand Salon, the 20-foot ceiling, and the intricate European-influenced designs further accentuate the level of detail and craftsmanship throughout. An opulent mosaic tile and beams, a beautiful sunroom fronting onto the bay with a fireplace, an opulent dining room with dual French doors, library and media room with custom cabinets and paneling from England, wine cellar, and a parlor. Ancient materials are blended with decorative archways, glittering chandeliers, and hand-painted frescoes. Suspended curved stairs lead to the upper level, where each bedroom and bath is a testament to design and craftsmanship. The regal master suite overlooks sparkling water views, adorned with decorative trim and arches. His and her baths with onyx floors and outdoor area, and private treetop balcony. The lush gardens and tropical landscaping are one of a kind and provide a backdrop for the infinity edge pool and heated spa with a lower-level lounging pool. The multi-leveled spacious terraces spanning the back of the home include a generously sized Italian-style loggia and create extra living space to enjoy that perfect morning cup of coffee or just relax and take in the sounds of the gentle bay waters. Following an extensive reconstruction, the home has been enhanced to create a perfect balance between old-world European charm and modern-day luxury. From the custom-crafted iron gates to the imported Bulgarian mosaic tiles, this residence exudes classical Mediterranean elegance at its finest.